Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy in the month of December. As we can take a look right here, in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 0.5%. Top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be IOTA, which is up about 18%. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin as usual at 32.5 billion in volume. Ethereum at 19.7 billion. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum literally flat, up about almost 0.5% or so. Bitcoin still trading around this 56,000 to 57,000 area. Ethereum around this 4,500 area. We see all these other altcoins are either trading flat or up or down 2% or so. Cardano here, an outlier, up about 10%. We see Luna is up about 5%. Avalanche is down 8%. The two meme coins are both pretty much up or down 1% or so. And then many of these other coins we see down here running, like Stellar Lumens, which is up about 7.5%. So we see the metaverse coins right here taking a little bit of a pullback here. Decentraland is down in the past few days and is trading flat today. And many of these other altcoins are doing the same type of situation right there. If we actually take a look at our crypto bubbles real quick before we get into this list, guys, we don't see much green here on this list in the past week. Our top green here is going to be this one, NULS. It's just up 111%. Luna is obviously one of the coins on this list, up about 56% in the past week. We have a few other, green coins here, but a lot more red compared to green, which could be a bearish sign right here that we might be starting to see a little bit of a downtrend in altcoins. So it might not be altcoin season for long, as we see a lot of red right here instead of green. So we're going to be keeping a very, very close eye out on the crypto bubbles, basically, to see how things perform in the next few days. Is the market going to continue to pull back down and we're going to see even more red? Are these, red circles going to get more bigger? We haven't been seeing that lately, so this could be a downtrend opportunity here for a dip buying opportunity, obviously, as well. So we're gonna be watching very, very closely, guys. If you guys want to, see more content like this, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Coinbase, get your $10 when you sign up for Coinbase and invest your first $100 in the crypto market space. Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So Luna, it's been, moving here in the past few days, I guess you could say. It's up huge, actually, in the past month or so. So we're going to be taking a very close look at this one right now. In the past 24 hours, it is up about 5%, trading at $68. In the past week, this one is up over 56%, guys. It is a runner right here, and, we're going to be looking at this for potential to continue to run higher and higher. So it was trading at $38 just about a week ago. Now it's at $68. In the past month, we're up 52%. Most of the gains happened pretty much around Thanksgiving and after Thanksgiving. In the past year, this one is up over 13,449%. So last December, we were trading at 45 cents. We saw a peak here in February at $6, a new peak here in March at 22, consolidated here sideways, and then pulled back down with the rest of the market, hitting lows of about $4 or so. And then from the $4 range all the way up here to highs of about 54, pulled back down to about 38, and then boom, rocketed on up here in the past few days. Obviously, we've been seeing a huge uptrend in the past 7 days or so. So current market cap on Luna right here is going to be 26.4 billion. So, that is kind of climbing as well. We see volume here down 10% lower than usual at 2.2 billion. And then obviously, Luna just continues to grow. So obviously, right now at a 26.4 billion market cap, that means if we were to reach $100 per coin, that this coin would be around 35 billion market cap, maybe a little bit higher, give or take a few billion. But this is a huge, obviously, uptrend right now, and it's a momentum type rally, and we're going to be watching very, very closely for opportunities to buy the dip or even potentially get in and ride the wave just for a little bit to see what happens in this coin, obviously, in the upcoming days. So even with the market pulling back a little bit or even trading sideways, Terra here has been able to continue to, push on higher and higher in the past few days. So definitely interesting coin that we're going to be adding on the list, guys. Then we have number 2. The second altcoin is going to be IOTA. So IOTA here in the past 24 hours is up about 9.5%, trading at $1.49. In the past week, this one is down 6%, hitting lows at one point down here at $1.25. In the past month, we're up about 6% with highs of $1.66. And then on the 1-year chart, obviously, this coin is up about 326%, making a nice move there in the past year or so. So if you would have invested $1,000 into it about a year ago, you'd be up about $3,000 right now in profit. Obviously, there's coins out there that are making these type of moves in a matter of weeks or months. Meanwhile, this one took about a year to do it. So it is still doing very, very well. Last December, we were trading at 29 cents. We hit highs here in February at around $1.49. We continue to go even higher here in April at 268, and then obviously the market sold off. We went to lows of about 60 cents or so, and then from that 60 cents range we continue to go higher and higher, over 100% gains here in the past few months, with a little bit of a consolidation type time period in the past 2 months. We've been trading, back and forth, a little bit on the upside, a little bit on the downside, and it's kind of just been stable here, and we're waiting for the next breakout. And that's exactly why we have it on our list right now, because it's kind of getting in this channel where the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting lower, and we're hoping for an explosion up here into the obviously into the maybe into the $2 range or even higher, which would bring it to about a 5 billion market cap or so, which would be nice to see in the future. Right now we're trading at a 4.1 billion market cap. Volume is up 201% higher than usual at 238 million right there. As we can see down here, IOTA is designed to facilitate microtransactions between devices on the Internet of Things. IOTA uses a unique consensus algorithm that requires users to validate two transactions in order to make a transaction of their own. So obviously, if you guys have ever signed up for most brokerages, that is actually something that happens as well. They give you two little microtransactions. You confirm them and tell them how much the transaction were, and that way they know that it is you and that you're not scamming them or something else like that. So that is definitely a nice little security benefit right there from IOTA as well. So this coin, definitely one we're going to be watching for potential growth in the future. And then the number 3 coin on this list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA, one of the big dogs here, guys. This one has pulled back down massively in the past few weeks. Definitely at one point, I believe we were down about 50% from the highs. So right now we're up 10% in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.68. In the past week, we're literally trading flat. In the past month, we're down 15%. But the highs up here were about, $2.38 or so. And then we saw lows down here about $1.42. So, almost about a 50% drop from the high to the low. And we have seen, even higher highs here at $6.10 or $3.10, and that's actually in September right there. So from that $3 range, we did actually drop over 50% at one point on the low down here. Now, obviously, we're making a little bit of a comeback right now. We're hoping to bounce off right now and create a new support area, maybe even trade a little bit sideways into the end of 2021, and then, push on higher once a lot of this, bad kind of, news going around Cardano goes away. Hopefully, this coin continues to rally on higher in the future as well. But it still is up over 923% in the past year. We see the market cap at 56 billion. We were trading at close to 100 billion plus market cap at one point, and we were actually ranked like number 4, I believe, right after Bitcoin and Ethereum, and Binance Coin was kind of competing there, and even Solana. Now, volume is up 126% higher than usual at 3.8 billion, 71% buy activity, 29% sell activity. Now, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So, obviously, Cardano is one of those higher market cap coins, but it definitely has potential, especially after this 50% drop that we've seen right now. I think this is a good opportunity for any dip buyers or people that believe in Cardano. For the long term, it could be an opportunity right now to get in for potential. You have about 100% upside just to get back to the all-time high area in the future potentially, and that's obviously a good sign. You don't want to be buying at the top; you want to buy on the dip. So those are our 3 altcoins. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market. Like we said here, Solana trading at $230, up about 2.5%, making a little bit of an upward trend. Dogecoin here flat, still trading at the same range. I mean, it looks like Dogecoin is going to be stuck in this 20 cents range forever. It's been there for months and months now. Meanwhile, Shiba Inu making a little bit of a pullback down again after that rally that we saw about 2 or 3 days ago. The meme coins are kind of tapering off right now, and we're going to be waiting for new opportunities in the future. Then we have Bitcoin here. It is currently trading literally flat in the past 24 hours. In the past week here, Bitcoin is up or actually down about 4%, trading at 56,000 still. And here on the 1 month chart, we're down about 10%. On the 1 year chart, obviously, we're up 191% at the high of $69,000. So we're about $12,000 away from the all-time high. 1.1 trillion market cap currently, 33% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 12% lower than the previous day, 74% buy activity, 26% sell activity on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here in the past week or so, we've been just going sideways, kind of like a kangaroo market that was happening in the stock market last year, when it was literally just going up and down every other day, different patterns. And then here we have Ethereum, which is flat as well in the past 24 hours with highs of about 4,600 or so. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're literally flat again. And then on the 1 year chart, we're obviously up over 636%. So we are, pretty much at all-time highs. I mean, we're trading at 4,500. All-time highs are about 4,800. So it's only about a $300, upside right there to get to the all-time high area. Market cap 536.4 billion. We see 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. Volume is down 27% lower than yesterday at 19.6 billion. 75% buy activity, 25% sell activity. Ethereum is looking spicy, guys, for me, in my opinion. I think that in December we might be seeing all-time highs on Ethereum, and I would not be surprised to see $5,000 per coin here on Ethereum by the end of 2021. I predicted that actually at the beginning of the year, and it might come true, and it's looking, very close. We were very close at one point, trading at 4,800. Now we're about we were about $200 away, but then it pulled back down. Now, hopefully we don't get any more bad news in the market in the upcoming days, and hopefully Ethereum continues to rally on higher. So we're going to be watching very closely, guys. Now, if you enjoyed this type of content for me, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great weekend.